Final round. Missed question corrections. Part 15. Conduit sizes. Minimum size of liquid flex, non-metallic conduit? 1/2 inch. Liquid flex, non-metallic conduit, 1/2 inch minimum size. Minimum size of liquid flex, metal conduit? 3/8 inch. Liquid flex, metal conduit, 3/8 minimum. Minimum thickness sealing compound in Class 1 Division 1 and Division 2, conduit and fitting must be a minimum of 5/8 inch. Sealing compound, Class 1 Division 1 and 2, minimum size is 5/8 inch. Minimum conduit for Class 1, Division 2, toxic area? LFMC. Class 1, Division 2, toxic, LFMC. Conduit in hazardous locations must be sealed off at 18 inches. Seal conduit in hazardous, 18 inches. Conduit max sizes, EMT, PVC, flex, etc. All max size of 4 inch. Rigid conduit is different and has max size of 6 inch. Max sizes, EMT, PVC, flex, etc. All max size of 4 inch. Rigid conduit is different and has max size of 6 inch. Conduit minimum sizes, 1/2 inch EMT, 3/8 for LFMC. Rigid conduits are usually sold in lengths of 10-foot sticks. Rigid conduit commonly sold, 10-foot sticks. Minimum sealing, Class 1 Division 1 and 2, smallest size is 5/8 inch. Minimum sealing, Class 1 Division 1 and 2, smallest size is 5/8 inch. Minimum bend conduit, 6x1D, of inside radius. Minimum bend, 6x1D, inside radius. Weatherproof, protects wires from weather interference. Weatherproof, protects wires from weather interference. Flame retardant, non-flammable construction. Flame retardant, non-flammable construction.